Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm so happy to see you again on Mellow Vlogs. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix audio problems in Windows 8 or 8.1. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start our work. First you should go to Windows and click the right side of mouse and run computer management. And there you can see services and applications. Click and run the services. Okay guys, you can see there all services that my computer has, and between them we should find Windows Audio service. Scroll down. You can see there that Windows Audio is running. Click one time, and on the top of my desktop there is stop and restart commands. To fix our Windows Audio we should restart the service. After restarting, I hope it will work. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up. See you on the next videos.